Iverson draws Jordan now. Watch this. Big, nice play, but watch out. Michael trying to stay with him here. Very quick move.
Yes, sir, man. We got that double up, bruh. Double up is secure, man. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video. It is greatly appreciated, man. We got another Jordan release, another Jordan Saturday, another 23 Saturday. We got some heat today, man. I'm talking about some heat. One of the most anticipated releases over the last 10 plus years, bro. Last time these dropped was in 2009, and everybody has been wanting these joints for forever, bro. Like, I don't even think I was still in middle school when these joints last dropped. Always remember seeing them, always wanted them, and today we got that double up on the Nike sneakers that you guys already know. We got that pair in right here, man. So real quick, before we even show the sneaker, before we jump into today's video, please let me know right now down below in the comment section if you got that double up, if you got that dub in general on the Air Jordan 12 Cherries. We already did a full review and on feet. I'm putting a little bit of clips in today's video so you guys can tap into it. If not, I'm gonna link the full video down below in the description box, man. So let me know, you got a dub, you got an L. I don't think this is a hard shoe to get. They were relatively easy. We went live this morning. It was dope to go live with you guys, chop it up with y'all. And we had a lot of discussion talking about the best sneaker of the year, talking about what's better, the flu game for cherries. And a lot of people telling me how they're gonna triple up on these cherry Air Jordan 12. So appreciate everybody that pulled up this morning. Let's go ahead and drop y'all comments down below, y'all initial thoughts, your initial reactions for this release day of the Air Jordan 12 Cherries. If you guys are new to the channel, right now what I need you to do, man, go ahead and subscribe right now. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop over here. And please follow it up with a huge like. It's Cherry Saturday. Let's go ahead and get this thing up to 400 likes. That's super easy. That's too low for you guys. But we're gonna go for 400, shoot for 400. You guys know at 80K, which we're less than 200 away, we're gonna give away a pair of Air Jordan 11 Gratitudes. I can't wait to do it. We're gonna be going live on YouTube, giving that pair away. So share this with a friend, help them out to get a pair of free sneakers, man. All right, man, so here we have them, bro. You guys see, you got the big Nike check up top. And like I said, over here, you got engineered, built to the exact specifications of championship athletes from around the world. You guys see something new that they threw on this Air Jordan 12 Cherry OG. And then the official colorway, of course, Air Jordan 12 Retro, white, black, and varsity red. And I went true to size with these, man. Usually, like I said, I've been going up half a size. But with 12s, they've been fitting very, very loose, like bulky, I would say. So I just stick with my true to size 9, and we're good to go. So let's go ahead and get into these things, man. Already had them, bro. I know I've been peeping out for the last couple of days. And I said, man, these might be knocking on the door for sneaker of the year. And a lot of people thought I was tripping. But then again, I was like, man, the white cement 3s are just so much more better than me. I don't know why. Never had the Air Jordan 3 white cements. I never had the Cherry 12s either, but as you guys can see right here, man, these things are beautiful, bro. Jordan, quality inspired by the greatest player ever on the back heel. All just the craftsmanship, the quality, the leather, the red hits. I'm talking about everything they did. They did it with perfection. And this happened to be a major GR, like you seen today. A lot of W's, not a lot of L's going out. So you probably won't even see a lot of people saying they got an L today. Maybe if they woke up late, or maybe if they didn't try hard enough to get the sneaker, maybe they took an L. But as far as, you know, the masses, bro, I'm pretty sure it was like probably close to 1 million pairs dropped today for the Air Jordan 12 Cherries. And this is not it, bro. This is not the only drop you're gonna get. You guys know we got a shock drop. We got today's drop. You already know it's gonna be a restock here shortly. Just like they did with the Air Jordan 8 playoffs, bro. Like literally, the Air Jordan 8 playoffs just dropped. They already did a little restock on them joints. What do you think is gonna happen with these Cherry 12s? It's gonna be another restock. So if you did take an L today, don't even waste your time, you know what I'm saying, pay anything crazy. They aren't going for much, going for around like 230, 240, which is like shipping and taxes from you buying them from Nike. I think today when I doubled up, I paid like 232 with taxes and shipping. So you literally pay the same amount on the resale market. But like I said, if you don't want to go through any third parties or any resellers, I'm pretty sure like 9 times out of 10, we're gonna get a restock over these Air Jordan 12 Cherry things. And while I got y'all here, man, we got all you lovely people. Like I said, I went over on IG, I posed the question, I posed the debate. I said, are you taking the Air Jordan 12 Cherries or are you taking the Air Jordan 12 flu games? And you'll be surprised how many people were siding with the cherries, bro. Like some people saying that I'm taking the cherries. Some people's like, I'm taking the flu games no matter what, because, you know what I'm saying, Michael Jordan got crossed up wearing these.
Iverson draws Jordan now. Watch this. Big, nice play, but watch out. Michael's trying to stay with him here. Very quick move.
When Allen Iverson saying hit him with the shake and bake, you feel me? So it's a lot of different perspectives, a lot of different opinions surrounding these two sneakers. But if I had to choose one or the two, I'm gonna stick with the flu games, bruh. I had the suede flu games with the sick emoji on the side. I have so many flu games growing up, and now I only have one pair. But this definitely, to me, is the better out of the two. But like I said, I want to pose that question to you guys. Which one are you taking, cherries or flu games? You guys can be unfiltered, honest, 100% down below in the comment section. If you guys did not know, man, the hoodie, man, check it out, bro. Y'all see the hoodie, man. You got the OutRank hoodie, and I'm gonna flip around and show you guys the back of it. But this is the official collaboration, official limited drop from OutRank Brand that they're gonna be doing for the Air Jordan 12 cherries. I'm talking about the merch is super dope. Got the tees, got the shorts, got the joggers, everything to go with the cherry 12s, and it's a nice, reasonable price. And you can add another little discount on there using the code TheVintage to save you 10% off on this collection drop for the Air Jordan 12 cherries. I'm loving it, bruh. The hoodie right here is super dope. Like I said, when you guys see the B-roll on the back of the hoodie, you can be like, yo, that thing is super dope. And all you gotta do is use that code TheVintage, and that save you 10% off your entire order, man. So all in all, you guys know what I always ask y'all. Go ahead and rate these things 1 through 10 down below in the comment section. I'm giving these things a 9.5 because can't nothing in the world be perfect. But I've been wanting these for so long. I love them. They're definitely up there for sneaker of the year, in my opinion. One of my top pickups of the year. And like I told y'all in yesterday's video, the airship, I think I did that top 10 pickups of the year prematurely. There's so much more heat coming out. And I feel like it's a lot more pairs that's coming into the collection that I done bought recently that could potentially be like a top 10, top 5 pickup for me. So might have to redo something, might have to rework the video just so I can highlight some of the dope sneakers that I have added to the collection, some sneakers that I really truly enjoy, just so I can show you guys what your boy TheVintage has been rocking out with, man. I appreciate all the support, man. Again, thank you guys for tapping in. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know how your Air Jordan 12 cherry release day went. WL, fire, trash, rate these things 1 through 10, all that good stuff, so I can interact with you guys down below in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, hit the notification bell for your boys to miss out on any content that we drop. And with all this being said, man, your boy TheVintage is gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.